Mi dedo.
Malinois loves having a mission, but lives for the family.
Look, Jack, here, here.
Scar. Okay, outside. Take it outside. Oh my god. Lace, get back over here. Jesus Christ.
These two security cameras are working hard to make sure playtime is safe.
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Get down.
In his dictionary, there's no such thing as sniffing. It has to be a full-on taste test.
He just bit my hand.
Okay. Maybe just one. Yeah.
You gotta go up the stairs. Come on. Go. No, not that way. Look right there.
Even the top 10 smartest dog breeds have their silly moments.
Come on, right there. Good boy. Right there. Right there. Oh, Jesus.
No.
Ouch. 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 Leave. Leave. Sit.
Who says Malinois are just guard dogs? They're also amazing at housework.
Why are you gonna be so needy all the time? What you want?
With unlimited energy, only games like this are enough to wear him out.
Jet. One.
I bet every kid had this idea the second their parents left the house.
What are you doing?
Want to help me work on the car today? I'll get under. Get my flashlight. Oh, boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Thank you, Havoc. Thank you.
When Mum is the only one feeding and walking him, of course he's gonna pick her. Well, he's kicking off his new age with double the energy of the last one. Alright buddy, maybe it's time to learn how to let go. Tone it down a bit when playing with the kid, bro. For them, it's not fun unless there's a bit of healthy competition. Move over! I've already chosen this as my guarding post. You're not needed.
Shit,
On
boy.
coke?
Huh?
On coke?
On anything, boy. I fucking love to watch a family eat from the distance.
Come on.
Proof that Malinois are not for the faint-hearted. Cops, when they're off duty, be like, don't compare them, they're just switching shifts. If you're trying to lose weight, this personal trainer definitely won't let you quit. Hope they brought you a good few laughs. Don't miss the next video.